Dear students, let us solve some examples related to the concept integration as antiderivative. Now from your first exercise there is one example that if f dash x is equal to x square plus 5, f dash x means it is the derivative of f of x is given to you. Function is f of x and its derivative is given, that is f dash x is equal to x square plus 5 and f of 0 is equal to minus 1, means at point x is equal to 0 value of the function is given, that is equal to minus 1. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of f of x. So the function is not given to you, that we have to find out, but its derivative is given to you. Now as we know that integration means it is the antiderivative concept, so we will use that concept to find out the value of f of x. So let us see here how will you solve. So in answer, first of all I will write by definition of integration. By definition of integration, what is the definition of integration? See, we know that integration of f dash x dx as antiderivative, integration of f dash x dx is nothing but f of x. Okay, integration of f dash x dx is equal to f of x, because f dash x is the derivative of f of x. This is by definition of integration. Now here f dash x is given to you, so see how will you get f of x? So f of x is equal to, it is nothing but the integration of x square plus 5 dx. Okay, so if you take the integration of f dash x, then you will get f of x. That is the concept of antiderivative. So now take the integration. So first of all we will take the integration of x square dx plus integration of 5 dx. So that is equal to integration of x square is what? X cube upon 3 plus, now it is the integration of 5, but you can keep 5 outside of the integration, and into integration of 1 dx. Integration of 1 is x, plus you have to write the constant, integration constant. So integration is completed. So by this integration we get f of x is equal to x cube upon 3 plus 5x plus c. Now we have to determine the value of c also, and for that f of 0 is equal to minus 1 given to you. So after getting f of x as x cube upon 3 plus 5x plus c, now it is given that, as it is given that f of 0 is equal to minus 1, means what? At x is equal to 0, f of x is equal to minus 1. This is given to you. Okay, so see the meaning of this. F of 0 is equal to minus 1 means at point x is equal to 0, means in the function if you put the value of x as 0, then f of x becomes minus 1. Now what is your f of x? Here f of x is equal to, as f of x is equal to x cube upon 3 plus 5x plus c. This is given to you. Now as per this information, if you put x is equal to 0 here, then you will get 0 cube upon 3 plus 5 into 0 plus c, and then f of x becomes minus 1. So what will you get? This implies we get c is equal to minus 1. So to get the value of integration constant c, we have to use this condition, f of 0 is equal to minus 1. Now after getting the value of c, now you can write the last answer, that is f of x. Hence we get f of x is equal to x cube upon 3 plus 5x minus 1. So this is our last answer, remember. Okay, so how will you get f of x from f dash x? You have to take the integration of f dash x, and after completing the integration, whenever you write the constant c, and to determine that constant, one condition is given that if f of 0 is equal to minus 1, means if you put the value of x is equal to 0 in that function, then f of x becomes minus 1, and by which you will get the value of constant also, and after substituting value of c as -1, you will get f of x is equal to x cube upon 3 plus 5x minus 1. So this is the last answer. Now see the next question. If f dash x is equal to 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus k, this f dash x is given to you, and f of 0 is equal to 1, means when x is equal to 0, value of f of x is 1, and f of 1 is equal to 4, means when x is equal to 1, value of f of x is 4, then we have to find out f of x. So again, by the definition of integration, so by definition of integration, we know that how to find out f of x from f dash x. So we know that integration of f dash x dx is equal to f of x. So how will you get f of x here? So if you want f of x from f dash x, then just you integrate that f dash x. So it is the integration of 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus k with respect to x. So if you take the integration of this, then you will get f of x. Now take the integration of every term here. So integration of 4x cube dx minus integration of 3x square dx plus integration of 2x dx plus integration of k dx. So here it is addition, so you can take the separate integration of every term. Now here 4 is the coefficient of x cube, you can take outside of the integration, into integration of x cube dx minus 3 into integration of x square dx plus 2 into integration of x dx plus k into integration of 1 dx. Okay, so see here all the steps. Now evaluate the integration. So 4 as it is into integration of x cube is x raised to 4 upon 4 minus 3 as it is into integration of x square is x cube upon 3 plus 2 as it is into integration of x is x square upon 2 plus k as it is into integration of 1 is x and plus integration constant. Now here you can simplify because 4 and 4 will get cancelled, hence you will get x raised to 4 minus here also 3 and 3 will get cancelled, then x cube plus here also 2 and 2 will get cancelled, so x square plus kx plus c. So we get f of x after taking the integration of f dash x, we get f of x. But here constant is there k, and also integration constant is there, so both the constant we have to determine, and after getting the value of k as well as value of c, you will get the final answer of f of x. And for that the two conditions are given to you. When x is equal to 0, value of function is given 1, and when x is equal to 1, value of function is given which is equal to 4. So first of all we will take, it is given that f of 0 is equal to 1, means if you put the value of x is equal to 0, then you will get f of x is equal to 1. So in this equation number 1, say this is equation number 1, you put the value of x which is equal to 0. So we get 0 raised to 4 minus 0 cube plus 0 square plus k into 0 plus c, and after putting the value of x is equal to 0, we get it is equal to 1. So by this we will get the value of c is equal to 1. So by using the condition f of 0 is equal to 1, first of all we get the value of c is equal to 1. Now if you rewrite the equation number 1, so hence equation number 1 becomes, after the calculation of c, equation number 1 becomes f of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus x cube plus x square plus kx plus 1. Okay, so now we get this f of x. But also another condition is given there, that is f of 1 is equal to 4, by which you will get the value of k. Okay, so again it is given that after getting this f of x, we have to use that condition also. F of 1 is equal to 4, means if you put the value of x is 1, then you will get the answer 4. So if you put that, then you will get 1 raised to 4 minus 1 cube plus 1 square plus k into 1 plus 1 is equal to what? Is equal to 4. Okay, now what is the calculation? 1 raised to 4, 1 cube means all is 1 here. So 1 minus 1 is 0, plus this is 1 square, that is 1. So 1 plus k into 1 is k, plus 1 is equal to 4, and that implies the value of k that you will get, that is equal to 2 here. So see this calculation to get the value of k. Here we get k is equal to 2. Now after getting the value of k also, now that equation becomes, and hence we get final answer, that is f of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus x cube plus x square plus k into x. K into x means 2 into x plus 1. So this is the f of x. Okay, so what is the method here? If you have f dash x, then how will you get f of x? Just you take the integration of f dash x and then determine the integration constant, and if there is another constant given to you, then obtain that constant by using the given condition like this. Okay, so these are the given condition, that is f of 0 is equal to 1 and f of 1 is equal to 4, which are useful to get the value of c as well as value of k if necessary. Okay, so after getting the value of c as well as k, you have to write the f of x, and that will be your final answer. Okay, so try to solve this type of question from your exercise. Okay, thank you.